Hi, and thank you for dropping by. My name is Gerd, and in this video I would like to demonstrate how you can reduce your manual efforts and efficiently achieve your goals with Smart Linking by CI Hub, especially when you are working in hybrid system environments. So let's give it a try. When I open the project, it looks like this. You get a lot of missing links. And normally, you would now search for the clips, download them, and relink them. But there's an easier way to do it. I have installed the CI Hub connector from the Adobe Exchange server. Now this is the standard view, and the panel is fully integrated in my workspace. Now let's switch to the check panel view. By clicking the connection area, I can see that I'm currently connected to 4 systems: the Aprimo system, Workfront, Box.com, and Adobe Stock. My Aprimo system is selected, and I'm going to start the check of all files that are used in my project. So within 6 seconds, all 62 items are checked. The availability and the source systems are shown. I get in-depth info of each asset in the detail view. The first row of icons is for bulk operations, adding files or relinking files. Now I'm going to relink the files that have been found in the Aprimo system. As you can see, 48 files will be relinked via this button. Just click on OK, and the system will connect the project to the assets within the Aprimo system. And as you can see, thumbnails are coming up and previews are coming in, and we've just relinked 46 files. And the project is ready to go. Now we've seen that one shooting has been stored in the Box cloud storage. So I'm going to relink these 3 files. To do so, I'll have to switch the source system. This is Box connected, and I'm going to activate these clips with just one click. So as you can see, I'm currently connected to all the footage which is stored in cloud storage or digital asset management systems. And why does it make sense? So let's switch over to Adobe After Effects, because this file is also one of the links in my Premiere Pro project. So there is a little warning symbol, which means there is a newer file available, and all I have to do is relink the latest version. Here we go. So the composition is updated. The link will be automatically updated in my Premiere Pro project, and we're ready to render the final file. So this is what we have achieved so far within 3 minutes. The CI Hub connector is out of the box connected to more than 60 of the leading systems and available for 17 applications.